Hello Minglaba and welcome back folks. Today we're making some Burmese golden fried rice with black-eyed peas. In Myanmar, people often eat boiled peas in fried rice for breakfast. In my recipe we're substituting tin black-eyed peas instead of the traditional boiled peas, and the recipe works just as well. So if you're after a fried rice recipe that's also vegan friendly, then this one is for you. Are you ready to cook? Okay, let's go. Start by cutting up one onion. We want to slice it into long strips, as shown here. Next, heat up some oil in a pan to medium-high. Add the cut onions into the oil and start frying. Cook them until they achieve a dark gold color. Then add in the drained black-eyed peas and fry until the liquid has evaporated. Add in some turmeric powder. This will give the rice its beautiful golden color. Turmeric is one of the healthiest foods you can eat, and is known for its anti-inflammation qualities. Add in the rice and mix it in well with the black-eyed peas. Season the rice with some salt and a few drops of sesame oil. And fry the rice on high heat for a few minutes. Serve the rice with some sliced cucumber and some crispy fried shallots. Thanks for watching everybody. The recipe is in the description. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and see you next time.